In this video, you're going to learn about what's the difference between Cowork and Claude Code. Both are in this video, and you will be learning about which one is to use in which purpose. So, Claude Code and Claude Cowork both runs on a single, simpler, similar kind of a agent, which is SDK for Claude Agent, and they have same kind of understanding. They have same approach, same way of learning, they have same knowledge, but the difference of being the purpose of the softwares. One is made for generic and more theoretical sort of a work, and one is made for more codes. Claude Code comes with the word code inside of it. It means that you are using it on a CLI where you see the coding, where you see that the databases are intact. So if you're a coding person who wants to use it for the coding purpose, use the Claude Code. Otherwise, if you want to go with it, something that can reach a file, also work on it and create something out of it, go with Coworker. So Coworker also can also read your files, can edit your files. If you put it towards a singular file, it can go ahead and do similar tasks that you guys can do it with a Claude Code. But the difference is that it's a desktop application rather than a CLI. You guys can know that CLI version as Claude Code can be run inside of Visual Studio, JetBrains, and the code itself. But the Coworker is a native application of the Claude Code. That's how I am going to put it. So this is pretty much it for the video. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.